Word for word meaning, translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada. Please repeat. They, Mai, unto me. Apeta, not having undergone. Akhila, all kinds of. Chapale, proclivities. Arhake, unto a boy. Dante, having controlled the senses. Adhrita, Kridanake, without being accustomed to sporting habits. Anuvardhini, obedient. Chakruhu, did bestow. Kripa, causeless mercy. Yadyapi, although. Tulya darshanaha, impartial by nature. Shushu Shamane, unto the faithful. Munayaha, the Muni followers of the Vedanta. Alpabhashni, one who does not speak more than required. Translation: although they were impartial by nature, those followers of the Vedanta blessed me with their causeless mercy. As far as I was concerned, I was self-controlled and had no attachment for sports, even though I was a boy. In addition, I was not naughty, as I did not speak more than required. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. In the Bhagavad Gita, the Lord says, all the Vedas are searching after me. Lord Chaitanya says that in the Vedas, the subject matters are only three. Namely, to establish the relation of the living entities with the personality of Godhead, perform the relative duties in devotional service, and thus achieve the ultimate goal, back to Godhead. As such, Vedantavadis or the followers of the Vedanta indicate the pure devotees of the personality of Godhead. Such Vedantavadis or the Bhakti Vedantas are impartial in distributing the transcendental knowledge of devotional service. To them, no one is enemy or friend, no one is educated or uneducated, no one is especially favorable, and no one is unfavorable. The Bhakti Vedantas see that the people in general are wasting time in false, sensuous things. Their business is to get the ignorant mass of people to re-establish the lost relationship with the personality of Godhead. By such endeavor, even the most forgotten soul is roused up to the sense of spiritual life, and thus being initiated by the Bhakti Vedantas, the people in general gradually progress on the path of transcendental realization. So, the Vedantavadis initiated the boy even before he became self-controlled and was detached from childish sporting, etc. But before the initiation, he, the boy, became more and more advanced in discipline, which is very essential for one who wishes to make progress in the life. In the system of Varnashram Dharma, which is the beginning of actual human life, small boys after 5 years of age are said to become brahmacharis at the Guru's ashram, where these things are systematically taught to the boys, be they king's sons or sons of ordinary citizens. The training was compulsory not only to create good citizens of the state, but also to prepare each boy's future life for spiritual realization. The irresponsible life of sense enjoyment was unknown to the children of the followers of the Varnashram system. The boy was even injected with spiritual acumen before being placed by the father in the womb of the mother. Both the father and the mother were responsible for the boy's success in being liberated from the material bondage. That is the process of successful family planning. It is to beget children for complete perfection, without being self-controlled, without being disciplined, and without being fully obedient. No one can become successful in following the instructions of the spiritual master, and without doing so, no one is able to go back to Godhead.
So, very nice what Prabhupada says, very simple, how our goal back to Godhead, a spiritual life, spiritual body, Sat, eternally existing, Chit, Ananda, we can get. Here is apprenticeship, we are here. And Prabhupada, one who teaches by example, Acharya. And Maharaj here tried to make Prabhupada the center, ISKCON. There will be many spiritual master, no doubt. He is telling, it's very good, nice idea. Make Prabhupada, the founder Acharya, but still something special, he will be center. Now it's made ISKCON, Prabhupada is everybody is coming in ISKCON. Should be the Shiksha Guru. Because if you take Diksha but don't take Shiksha, this won't be much fruitful. Just taking Diksha, somebody contacted Prabhupada, said, Prabhupada, I have taken Diksha from you, you chanted that. Prabhupada said, that's all right. Now are you doing what I said? Because, are you doing what you said? Then it is meaningful. It is very nice what Prabhupada said in general is this, saying some of the things. Everybody should get up early in the morning and Brahma Muhurta, bathe, clean himself in clean clothes, come to Mangalarati. How many of us here did? Please raise hand. Today? Please do it. Take it seriously. You may have some excuse, I don't. Now check. Yesterday did you do? If not today? Otherwise, Brahma Muhurta you are wasting. You cannot be spiritually strong. And if you are not spiritually strong, it will be difficult to face Maya. I may dress Brahmachari or Brahmin, and have I got Brahminical qualities? People may say, Prabhu, you are a Bhakta. They know. And am I got the qualification for the Bhakta? This we should ask ourselves, each of us. Bhakta has got 26 qualities, according to Chaitanya. Or Krishna, to Uddhav saying 28 qualities. Have I developed the quality of a Brahmin? You can ask, you want to become Brahmin or want a Brahmin initiation? Huh? This is very important thing. Don't take things for granted. Then we will be cheating ourselves. This is called seriousness. So here very nice thing Prabhupada is saying, each word, each sentence, like that. Now if we have to go back to Godhead, we have to be like this. But how to do it, Prabhupada is saying, he showed he had Gurukul. From the childhood, little boys, they should go to Gurukul. This is the future of ISKCON, Prabhupada said. was said before leaving, institute Varnashram Dharma. He started. For the Grihastha, he can be also good devotee. In our Mahajan, like Narad Muni, started with Narada, Swambhu, Shambhu, Kapila, Manu, Vaiyasaki, Bhishma, Bali Maharaj, Jamraj, Kumara, Manu, almost 12 of them. So, simply he is a maid servant son, that means, shall we say, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudrani's son. Even he has no father. At that time, so strict, even still now in India, some places. They are rejected. And that is why so many taking the other, following other faith. And from there, he is so, rejected in the society. He simply by serving pure devotee, Prabhupada, like persons. He became serving 4 months, nearly 4 months. What he is doing? Menial service. What is menial service? He is washing their clothes, serving a pure devotee, physically. Maybe cleaning their pots or leaves, taking prasad, all these Bhakti Vedantas, washing their clothes, cleaning their room, very menial service. And result is, see, this is the point we should remember. Should be a menial servant to a pure devotee. When he is gone, more important. You can serve him with bopu, his body, when he is there. And when he is not there, you can serve him his bani. So Prabhupada's bani is there, his bopu may not be there, but still in the form of this, there. Now how much you have got faith? A saintly person, sometimes elevated soul, he may be present there, depending on your bhakti, he will respond. Even common people like here, come here, say, in ISKCON always like that, many places. Hey, he is not talking. You say, don't disturb. He is meditation, don't disturb. He is not disturbed. No. So look like almost living, so wonderful. Nowhere escape is gone. You will hear these things, something, ISKCON is something transcendental in that way. People come, Prabhupada say, to ISKCON temple, very beautiful temple Maharaj has done. And the deities are also so nicely decorated. So people come to ISKCON. Sometimes those who are best, they are selected. Prabhupada said, give the best to Krishna. Best dress. Dress in such way that Radharani looks more attractive than Krishna. So that Krishna always stays here. We should know the personal thing. It's not, but if you're standing in front of listening lecture one day, long back in London, one lady got up, Mataji, don't mind. Swamiji, yes, ask question. I am not seeing Krishna. Are you seeing Krishna? Prabhupada asked. Calm and quiet. Suddenly, someone said, yes, Prabhupada. Please tell. We are seeing in front of us, Krishna is there. Then Prabhupada said, you don't want to see Krishna, that is why you are not seeing Krishna. They are seeing Krishna. According to what? Your qualification. Krishna is there in front of you. Now according to your qualification, Krishna can talk. Krishna can walk. But you are seeing materially. So you cannot see. You think where he is coming from, Prabhu? He is from Rajasthan. Oh, this white marble deity. So you are seeing white marble deity. That means marble. And he has got devotion. He said, yes, Krishna is in front of him. Standing. He is seen through the eye of scripture. Shastra Chakshus. And according to his feeling, Krishna reciprocates. Je jatha mam prapaddante tan tativa vajjama. According to your surrender, devotee means he is surrendered. Bhaktivinoda Thakur showing how to surrender. How to surrender? How to surrender completely. Manasa dehogyaha jo kuch more, whatever I have. Orpulutua pade Nanda Kishore. This is complete surrender. My dear Lord, Nanda Kishore, Nanda Kishore, whatever I have, my body, my wife, my children, everything, my bank, balance, everything, this is yours. Isha Bhasha, Idam Sarvam. The scripture is saying, everything. You cannot take anything, not in your body, which you are attached to. All of us. Yes or no? This is reality. But if you name different world, consciousness, that case is different. I am Indian, I am Bengal, I am man, I am Brahmin. This is upadhi. You cannot enter into the mystery of Krishna consciousness. That is the Goswami's teaching. The teaching us, Sarvapadhi vinirmuktam. Give up all this false ego. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is teaching. Naham Vipro, I am not Brahmin. Oh, I am Brahmin. This guy cleaning the temple. What is this? I am scholar, I am giving lecture. Then you cannot know Krishna. You give up all this upadhi, all this false ego. I am this, I am that, and look down upon. I am brahmacharya, this guest in Maya. In time Krishna may teach. Give up, be humble. Why you become humble? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Tinadu Pishunichana. Just lip service will do? No. This is the change of character. We require to check ourselves. There are so many devotees, long time in the movement. Some did lot of service, some may not. Somebody has got purity. He is not attracted. He may be surrounded by so many tempting objects, but he is not disturbed. This is sober. This is dhira. Dhirastatsa namu jyoti. We have to become dhira. Brahmin means, I am Brahmin. How many Brahmin? There is one. The Brahma janati iti Brahman. Do you know, do you have realized that I am not this body? You are doing lip service, I am not this body. Hey, I am not this body. Why you say, where I come from? Prasadam taking. Hey, no rice dal. Give 4 gulab jam. Give more. You told this? Don't ask this, where I am coming from. I am not this body. Don't understand. Sorry, I am telling practical Krishna consciousness. Can't you see? I am leading them all. I am not affected by attraction. Maybe after some time Maya teaches him. Hey, where he is? He's not there. He's changed. What change? See, he changed his dress. That's all. Within 1-2 days. We should check ourselves, where I am. What is our spiritual status? This way we can make progress. Yeah? We cannot cheat God. Even Hiranyakashipu, top materialist, couldn't cheat God. He directly asked from Brahma, I want to be immortal, give me this blessing. Lord Brahma, please. I myself is not immortal. How can you give me immortality? He is playing some tricks. Roundabout way, he is thinking, whatever possible way I can be killed, I will stop him. I won't, please give me blessing. Nobody can kill me in daytime. Tathastu. Not night time, tathastu. Not in water, tathastu. Not in land, you know. As many conditions he can think of. He does not know. God is more clever, He is supreme. So we should not try to cheat God. Even He is the greatest cheat. Definition of God means He is supreme in all respect. Nowadays in India, especially more in Bengal, maybe some part, the district from district coming up before God. He is God. Some even say, why are you looking for God? Don't you see God everywhere walking down? Is this God? Is He supreme? Ask Him. Prabhupada asks, are you the top? God means He is the supreme authority. Are you supreme authority? Silent. Are you everywhere in the world? Are you the owner of everything, proprietor? Stop. And claiming to be God, Prabhupada said, no, everybody is not God. God is God always. He is preaching. That is in America. In the beginning, Prabhupada has no house, staying with somebody. Dr. Misro's Yoga Center. Early days, Prabhupada has nothing. He was staying, I think, I remember. That God, one day Prabhupada is going out, they used to go out, morning walk. Then Prabhupada is hearing somebody in pain, the agony, he is screaming, oh, we have got some time to take pain. What happened? I have got toothache, somebody can call dentist. I'd have to go. Prabhupada said, what happened to God? Nicely, because He is the owner. What happened to God? God has got toothache. God can help others. God asking others help? For toothache? For dentist? God is calling dentist. What God it is? Prabhupada very politely saying to him, because Prabhupada was allowed by him to stay. Swamiji was staying actually. Now Prabhupada politely used to preach completely different. No, everybody is not God. God is God. He is always was, is, and will remain. We cannot be God. And this way, pure devotee's preaching is very strong. What Prabhupada said, every word, every sentence, we should take very seriously. That's why I am reading the same thing more or less. It's not so easy. That's why Prabhupada made Gurukul. From the childhood, should learn what Krishna says. Real knowledge, I am not this body, I am spirit soul. Our ISKCON, first lesson is this. Anybody come? I am not this body, I am spirit soul. That's the beginning. That is negative way. Positive way is what you are. I am servant of Krishna. Very simple. And so, Krishna is eternal master, we are eternal servant. So my business is to my whole life molded in such a way. Every step I should ask, is it for the pleasure of Krishna I am doing what Krishna says, or is represented? Then I am okay. Is it difficult to understand? Yes? Religion? Very simple. Very simple thing, sometimes we make it complicated. Yes or no? Then you are put into trouble. You have got problem. Life means problem, but outsider, they have got anxiety, tension, how to solve problem. The devotee has no anxiety. They are living in Vaikuntha. This is Vaikuntha, not different. This is Vaikuntha, not different. Most of the people are in the mode of passion and ignorance. Ignorance means he is lazy. He procrastinates. 1 minute walk, Guru says, do this thing. He may be 2 days after, he brings this thing together. Where have you been? He gives some excuse. That means he doesn't take seriously Guru's word. He sleeps a lot, must be eating a lot. More you eat, more you sleep. Yes? One day Prabhupada, somebody saying, Prabhupada, this is the you're sleeping a lot. Why you don't get up? 3 times eating. Some are doing that 3 times, at night also eating heavy up to here. Habit pass. When you come to Krishna consciousness, you must there be a change of character. Prabhupada said. Yes, many devotees changing character. They used to have bad habits, so many gave up. Anartha. Now, nobody goes to eat outside, though very tempting things may be there. Jhalmuri. Taking Krishna Prasad, they don't go. And seeing Krishna deities, who was dressed so nicely. The people come here, I see. I go to so many temples, but ISKCON temple, so nicely dressed. People look at it, don't blink. Long time, looking so beautiful. And easy to remember Krishna. Krishna said, Manmana bhava madbhakto. Easy, close your eyes, remember Krishna. Very simple. Is that difficult? You had an impression. Easy. Everything Prabhupada is giving. ISKCON is giving everything. As you see the other temple, people go or not go, number of people come in ISKCON. They out, what should I say? Others cannot think of. So many people coming here. Everything is attractive. Suppose to make prasad in such a way, give everybody. Everybody is satisfied. Where there is honey, naturally bees will come. Where there is nice flower garland, Krishna giving, Radharani holding, teaching us, she is the topmost devotee. She is non-divine from Krishna at the same time divine. So he is showing, top devotee showing us, always be in a mood of service to Krishna. What is represented pure devotee guru? He is teaching everything nicely. Prabhupada said, the bumblebee is roaming around. That means there is nice fragrant, Prabhupada said, give the best thing to Krishna. Most fragrant flowers Krishna likes, give it to him. Maybe very look insignificant. কি জানি ছোট ছোট ফুলগুলো খুব সুন্দর গন্ধ বকুল give anything. Some looks very beautiful, that is also good, but if you give fragrant, better. And the bumblebee moving, Prabhupada said, Krishna is there, Krishna likes. If Krishna likes, what else you require? Samsiddhi haritu sunam. Krishna is satisfied, you are successful. Look, Krishna is smiling, Krishna is happy. Make Krishna happy like that. Simply by making nice garland, you can make Krishna happy. Ladies always making nice garland. Oh, I am doing for Krishna. Give the best. How look nice, dressing, painting Krishna, taking, bathing Krishna. You make Krishna like this, you find yourself become clean, become purified. What is that? No more symptom of passion and ignorance. Passion means everybody outside is like this. Day and night working hard. It's not necessary. But for Krishna you can do. If you really love Krishna, you take the risk of life. Russian devotees, just like for independent people, give life, go to jail, torture. Russia did that. And in the beginning, and police torturing so much, beating them, throwing them in jail, almost dying. When they are coming first, I remember, in Mayapur, Calcutta, ISKCON stopped devotee Prabhupada disciple, top, sannyasi, GBC, paying them obeisance. This is called Vaishnava. Vaishnava doesn't think, I am sannyasi, I don't bow down to him. No, you should know all this thing, etiquette. Maharaj has got a book, I saw, very nice. You learn, Vaishnava Sishtachar. Vaishnava, how to act, how to behave with others, other Vaishnava. Here, showing how he is doing, he was alpabhashini, unless it is necessary. One shouldn't talk nonsense. One is talkative. Guru sometimes say, hey, don't talk anything other than Krishna. From now on, except Krishna Prasad, don't put anything in his mouth. Prabhupada is telling one of his disciples, don't put anything. So he dare not even taking medicine. And, oh, I won't take medicine. What will happen to me? Now see, if you have got faith, according to act. But everybody has not equal faith. That is why it said, Jasya deve para bhukti, jatha deve tatha guru. If you have got implicit faith, of course it should be in the words of Krishna. Same with his representative pure devotee, everything of Vedic knowledge, mysteries will be all revealed to us. The same way. He said, I have got so much faith in their words. I was very attached to them. This we should learn from Narad Muni. Grihastha Prabhupada lived Grihastha life, Bhakti-Vinod Thakur. They became Acharya. Doesn't matter who is Grihastha, who is Brahmachari. This is all external. Who is a Vaishnava? That is what matters. Many of our Acharyas, Mahajan, they may be more, maybe Grihastha. No, because it's all external. So this is there. Prabhupada said, I have got a complaint about you. You don't read my books enough. Why read other books? First complete my books first. Digest it. Everything is there. Even if you read Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, Prabhupada said, and digest and act accordingly, you will become completely God realized. Prabhupada said. Have faith in Prabhupada and act. You want to show your scholarship reading from this book, that's all right. But have you realized all these things? Otherwise Maya will test us. And something unpleasant may happen to us. And this is happening always. So it is very difficult to understand who is a Vaishnava, who is a pure devotee sometimes. Because we see from the external how much is done. Krishna, of course, will reward him according to his service. But some has got purity. Without standard, without quality, I will get some facilities and be happy. I will be cheated. But if you have got that quality, yes, I am this. Then sure, you are making tangible progress, you are making towards back to Godhead. Here it is said. How to go back to Godhead. And anybody can here sitting. Prabhupada gave this chance. How much we are practicing with this? Shalpabhasini. Very important. Not remain not talking. Talk for Krishna. Glorify. Chant round Krishnadas Babaji. Prabhupada used to make him sit by his side. Prabhupada said, he is a Nishkinchan, Paramahamsa. He did not make many temples. Nothing, not a single sannyasi. Of course, Brahmachari or his disciple. Prabhupada is not telling you become like this. Moody. But you cannot tell who is who. One is pure, he can see others' purity. But we can see ourselves by testing this thing. Narad Muni is example. Present day Prabhupada is example. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Bhakti-Vinod Thakur, our Acharya. Saying like that. So, is this treasure to us, their instruction. This Prabhupada instruction is treasure to us depending on time, place, circumstance. You know, Prabhupada trained up his disciple, they are telling. Again, depending on time, place, circumstances. Sometimes it is difficult to maintain. Prabhupada said, don't add, don't subtract what I gave. Then everything will be spoiled. It will finish. Now you see, whether we are doing or not, accordingly we are making progress. Here is what Narad Muni said. You cannot some of them do, Prabhupada make it, okay, do 16 down. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said 1 lakh round, I will do. No. Do what Prabhupada says. Because you are not liberated soul to chant 3 lakhs of round. You are just making sound, doing opera. Rest of the time, do always work for Krishna, what Guru says. They will get the same benefit. Guru knows. How to say, Bhakti Vinod Thakur was asked by Jagannath Das Babaji, somebody came to Jagannath Das Babaji, we want to do devotional service. Jagannath said, for Krishnas, in the field, you row and pick up and do all these things, garden, make begun, this, that, so. The Bhakti Vinod Thakur went and they are saying, he is not asking us to do chanting round, this. No, what Guru says, just do. This is good for you. You will be chanting just aparad. Chanting now. This is not holy name. Liberated person relish holy name. So Prabhupada knows what is good for us. You cannot do 60, so many rounds, 1 lakh, okay, do half. Oh, can't do it. Okay, half of that. Now do this very nicely. Rest of the time, work very hard for Krishna, whatever Guru says. And then, Krishna, I think Krishna will consider your case. Okay, he cannot. Doing this, he will consider. We should not take it for granted. Make our own rule regulation. If I become my own doctor, is that good? Is that good? Become your own doctor? No. This is his experience. Here is Narada Muni teaching us. We should read it again, till we can imbibe it. Yes? We should not think I have become a sannyasi, acharya. Ask yourself. Tell what Prabhupada says. I am telling. I cannot take you back to Godhead. But what I am saying is what my Guru said, I am telling you. And pray to Prabhupada. Prabhupada, I asked him all these things. If he does, please shower mercy on him. And this way you go back to Godhead. Yes, makes sense? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, does it make sense?
Yes.
To you? Hey, Major, does it make sense to you? Yeah. So be serious. And Krishna will reward accordingly. Take it cheaply, you will be cheated. I am sorry. Don't mind. So, it applies to you. So, here is the point we are standing in front of Prabhupada. This Srimad Bhagavatam, non-different from Krishna and Krishna only. Sound vibration. And also Prabhupada's purport, Prabhupada is with us. He is telling us what you are. Check yourself. We should check ourselves. Here. We will know our spiritual status, where we stand spiritually. 8:50. Sorry, time flies like anything. I forget. I am just simply telling what Prabhupada says, repeating. Don't mind. I am also trying. You can. If there is something wrong, you can point it. We are learning as long as we live. I wonder, only maybe 9-10 minutes there to become 9 o'clock. So, you have got some question or comment? I don't like to be too much down to earth, practical. Telling, practical Krishna consciousness. Don't mind. It applies to all of us. I'm also trying. Prabhupada said, do your best with all sincerity and seriousness. Ask Krishna, I can do this much. Krishna will consider. If you are sincere, Krishna will consider. Ladies and gentlemen, any question, comment, please related to this ask question.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much for such wonderful explanation. We are very much grateful to you for giving us your most wonderful association and instructions. And I had one question based on what you have explained. You mentioned that we should ask ourselves how we are doing. So Maharaj, in terms of chanting the holy name, I can see myself that I am not able to do so well. But when we do services and when we are not able to do so well, then that is taken more seriously. I cannot fail there. So how I should...
You check you are doing properly the operads, 10 operad. Yes. Are you trying to find out of 10 nama parad, how much you are doing strictly? Ask yourself. We should ask ourselves. Otherwise, why not you are testing Krishna consciousness? You should, aparad will go away, just like in the mode of ignorance, just those who are not getting up, suppose. Brahma Muhurta is a mode of ignorance. Yes? Hey, so Muhurta. It's the ignorance mode of, don't get up. Go to organize your life. At night, take light food. Take a glass of milk and some handful of rice puffy. You can get up early. After sunset, don't take anything heavy. Then it will be helpful to get up early. Take bath quickly like a crow or like that. You feel it's purifying, good for health. Dress yourself with clean clothes. Come to Mangala Arati. And whole day will no amangal, inauspicious thing happen to you. There is practical Krishna consciousness. Nothing to do with faith or blind faith. Yes or no?
Yes.
One who is doing, you will experience yourself. You experience Krishna Prasad, so nice, so you won't eat outside. But you break intentionally. That is your fault, you have to pay for. You means any of us. It includes me also. So you have to pay for, you cannot blame Guru, cannot blame Vaishnava, Krishna. You must be sincere. Person must be very, very sincere and serious. These things are basic things. But sometimes we don't take it for granted. We take it for granted. Yes? Sometimes, not I am saying everybody, there is sincere souls. There is degree of sincerity, a degree of seriousness. How much you put into practice. This is seriousness. Checking, that is why I am saying. Don't mind. It includes me also. I am trying. And who survives? Because when somebody is in Krishna consciousness, survives. I told that boy, and another few other boys I know. Oh, they are there. A few of them there. Many years there. Within this time, so many I don't see here, gone. I am telling the reality. I am not criticizing anybody. You have to be down to earth, practical. Why gone? Something wrong. Why he is staying? He may not be a sannyasi, but he is pure. He has got maintaining purity. He is strictly following what Guru says. He is surviving. Others, it's a strong current of Maya. He may be puffed up. I am a nice singer. And he cannot remain in his ashram. Carried away. Others may be simple cleaning temple. Maybe also sannyasi, maybe temple president, still staying there. Why? It's not like that. Maybe big position, he is not very proud, very humble, anything can do. It's not a matter of lip service. In action, his consciousness. This is consciousness, Krishna consciousness. This is pure consciousness. He is beyond mode of passion and ignorance, lusty desire, pride, dambho, darpo, abhiman. One devotee asked Prabhupada, Prabhupada, I have been long time in the movement. Prabhupada said, so what? So I find one day, read Bhagavad Gita, suddenly one chapter, 16, Doivi Sampad, which is the quality of demigods, quality of devotees. And Asurik Sampad, who is Asura. So I find many of us have got Asuric quality still now. Prabhupada said, what? Dambho, darpo, abhimanascha, abhijatascha, ignorance. All these things, most of them is still there. Prabhupada said, these are a little subtle. Again, he doesn't know what to be done, what not to be done, what is right, what is wrong. This is Asura. He cannot distinguish. There is no standard. Bhagavad Gita is the standard. See what Krishna says do, what should pure devotee Krishna is saying do. Hey then, Ishvaro Aham, I will control everything. Aham Bhogi, everything is meant for my enjoyment. This is Asuric quality. We do have inside. But it's good, you are sincere. It's good. You are sincere, you found it. Now try, see how you become greater. Then you become more pure. Then you become more coming towards pure Vaishnava. One devotee said, Prabhupada, can I go with this devotee? Why you want to go? He is a pure devotee. Because all my disciples are pure devotees. Don't distinguish from one disciple of mine and another. Somebody may have some good quality, but he may be lacking other qualities which he have another. So do not do this thing. We will all go together to the spiritual world. Make another ISKCON. One may be more pure, one may be little less. One has got good quality, another may not have that. He has got that. ISKCON, there is one devotee, he came long after. He is not a senior, I am joined before. No. But when he came, he introduced to people, can I see Guru Maharaj? Old man, maybe 60-something year old. He has got grandson, granddaughter, all duty gone. He came to Vrindavan. Can I see Guru Maharaj here? Okay. Kichai, what do you want? I want to become devotee. Okay. Here you are. In time, authority will give you, tell you, you are eligible, recommend, and you will become, get initiation, this, that. And he told, I want some instruction. Very nice. You stay in this temple, within this compound, don't get out. Okay? Whatever duty you are given by the authority, you do. And he was kitchen, doing gradually cleaning, then kitchen. Then he asked one day, his name so much became famous, even Prabhupada's oldest disciple, GBC, coming to see him. Why? It's like a forest, flower. Nobody carries his smell, but the wind carries the smell. So it is not that somebody is in the limelight of some organization, everything. You don't have to be in the limelight. God recognizes pure devotee. So, everybody, when he died, everybody want to spend for him to make his samadhi. He is a simple person. And what Guru said, in toto, exactly pure devotee say he did. Don't get out. One day he was very sick. He has to be taken to Delhi. He is trying not to go. Here is any doctor trying. Just for the day he went, some far, again came back, tried to come back. He said, don't stay outside. Even outside temple could be Maya. Just what service given to you, simply do. One light, we go back to Godhead. And I think he has gone back to Godhead. Not I think, many other things. They want to serve him. He is just it. One day he told that those who work in the kitchen, I will do. Radharani wants high standard kitchen. Everything cooked nicely, neat, clean. I will do everything. He won't go to sleep. Sleep little, eat little, day and night working hard. He must have some taste. How many of us can do like this? Maybe force will do for some time. Unless you real taste, you cannot tell for years and years. Here, just same thing, there are many persons who are in a big position, like that, but Prabhupada sometimes going for morning walk. Suddenly, he will tell those who are leaders, top, you go walk, I am coming. Somebody showing what he is doing. Prabhupada went there, looking here, there, seeing one of his disciples cleaning something. Kachra. Oldest devotee, one of them. He's the engineer. His name is Jayananda. Now when Prabhupada is gone, Prabhupada said, I think this very life he is gone back to Godhead. Now everybody is saying about him. Before that I remember, nobody that much. He's always doing some service. Nice. He do Rath. Prabhupada said, put a picture of him in every Rath throughout ISKCON, Rath Yatra. And he has got many other things to say. He's saying time is over. And Prabhupada liked him looking what he is doing. This is the responsible position where he doesn't care any service. He does none. No, this is Krishna's service. This is Krishna's temple. It's not a feeling I am big gun. No. Prabhupada is teaching this to us. He said, I believe when Prabhupada sent a letter, that Prabhupada said, this boy, when he came, he has got leukemia, blood cancer, and from home, from his family, sent in those days, $5,000 lot of money. In those days. Now may not be that. Achha. He gave it to Prabhupada. Prabhupada said, it is for your treatment. He said, no, Prabhupada, please. I know I will die. I will do my service, whatever you gave. He's doing like that. Prabhupada again said, no, this may. Second time they did the same thing. His condition became very bad. Again they sent $5,000 for his treatment. He said, no, Prabhupada, please take, I want to serve you. This whole ISKCON is a service attitude, Prabhupada said. Whole ISKCON, our life should be such molded, we cannot chant purely. So better do as much service you can, what your Guru says. And you make progress. Make sense? কি ঠিক বলছি? আমার নিজের কথা বলছি না, আমার গুরুর কথা বলছি। আমি নিজের কথা আমি কিছু চাই। প্রভুপাদ আমাকে বলেছে বলতে তাই বলছি। Prabhupada told me, and I am not saying I am right, so why I should. So this is very potent, these are very powerful. You find you will get strength. A pure devotee's words, you practice with heart and soul, you will find strength. Krishna Shakti bina nahe tar pravartan. Without getting empowered, one cannot be successful in preaching. He got some power, a very wonderful temple, very nice. Everybody got quality, you don't have to beat drum, it will automatically. Prabhupada did something, whole world now chanting. What does it mean? It means they are glorifying Prabhupada. You should glorify Guru. Then we become purified. We become purified. Yes? Any question? Any comment? I can say school. Today, up to that. Okay? Just simply say what Prabhupada said.
जय श्री श्रीमद शुभक्षमी गुरु महाराज की जय।